let's move on. We have a few minutes left. Page 210, number 3. We're going to learn the chord progressions of the B flat minor. So let's look up here first for a little bit, and so you can help me figure these out. So the tonic chord in B minor, what would be the letter name that we would use?
B flat.
B flat. Yeah, pretty easy. Okay, so B flat. What are the notes in B flat minor chord?
B flat, B flat, F.
You need me to write that, or you think you're okay with that? I think you see, you really know what you're doing. All right, a 4/6/4. What's the fourth tone of the B flat scale?
B flat.
Right. Right. And then the one that's in second inversion. So what's our bottom note going to be?
B.
Yeah. And we're going to be B flat and all right. Dominant seventh chord. Is it major or minor? Major. It's major both in minor keys and in major keys. That's always nice to know. What's the fifth tone of the B flat minor scale? F. Okay. And we're going to have it in inversion. So what's going to be about? Well, what are our notes in the? What do we need first? What are our notes in F seventh chord? F major. Okay. And if we're going to put in the other inversion, so what's going to be our bottom note? A is going to be the bottom, right? And then what's next? Right. And we use F on top. So we'll leave out the C, which is okay. And then we'll go back to B flat. So let's play that first.
Really fast. I've been able to hear Daniel on the flash.
I'm sorry, what?
I've been able to hear his piano. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if anybody else can.
How about that?
Yeah.
Go on now? Okay. She was still listening. Thanks for telling us. Okay. While you practice going between these chords, I want you to notice how your hand feels. We'll do it in the left hand. And also notice the half steps and whole steps. Have you talked about that? But to me, that's the way I do it, but maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. So you have to know analytically how to do it, how it feels in your hand physically, and then notice also the movements of half steps and full steps. So just go ahead and practice that a little bit. How you doing?
Not bad. I can just hear some of the.
Oh, now you can hear them. Okay. Are you okay now? Let's just do. Why don't you just do it in one hand? How about just left hand first? Or right hand, either one, if you feel most comfortable. Okay, and when it gets easy, then go ahead and try both hands. Okay, can you hear me? Yes, okay. Listening to it sounded pretty good. Some of you even went on and tried the next keys. That's very good. All right, did you notice the half steps? When you're going from the one chord to the 4-6-4, what happens between the top two notes?
Half step.
Okay, it's half step. All right, how about between the middle note?
Full step.
Whole step. How about the bottom note?
Stays the same.
Half step. So if you remember that the outer notes always move a half step, when they go up or down, and the center note always moves a whole step in minor progressions. That's true for majors, only in the minor. You ever understand that? That's the way I remember it. I don't know. It helps me a lot. All right, let's try it, hands together. We're doing the B flat minor. 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, sounds pretty good. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4. Good. Okay, while we're on this, I want you to look at the bottom of the page, since you got the B flat kind of your fingers. There's a different way of doing the bass, the left hand, where you only play the root. Okay, let's try that with the B flats. What fingers will we use? 5, 2, 5, 1, back to 5. Let's try just the left hand on the B flat minor. 3, 4. Good, do it one more time. All right, good. Let's add the right hand. So it changes it a little bit. 3, 4. Okay, got the idea. All right, I know we're running out of time, but I'd have you practice on the next, the keys in number 3. Is there a class over at 1:15? Okay. All right, so that would be you to practice on number 3 to add the rest of the keys there in those both ways. Both hands doing the same thing in both hands, and then the left hand doing just the bass. All right, good job.